guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the new E.L.F. cleansing clouds. It's basically just like a little pad that takes off your makeup. It can take off face masks. So there's two different types depending on what kind of makeup you're wearing. So the white one is for more natural everyday makeup and the black one is to take off more like glam, heavy makeup. So I bought both of them. I'm going to use them both eventually, just depends on what kind of makeup I'm wearing that day. So I'm going to go ahead and use the white one today. I'm super excited to try it out. I've never tried anything like it before. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try the new E.L.F. cleansing clouds, then please keep watching. Okay, so before we get started, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a background on the cleansing clouds themselves. I feel like it's hard to say that, cleansing clouds. Isn't that kind of hard to say? E.L.F. cleansing clouds. Like, they just like mush all together, I feel like, but that's besides the point. So I wanted to tell you guys what it says on the website. So it's basically just a reusable and soft makeup remover pad that allows you to remove your makeup with only water. This makeup remover wipes your face clean from all types of makeup without the need to rub or scrub. The water assists in loosening up your makeup while the technology of the fiber strands holds onto the makeup to ensure it does not transfer back onto your skin. The cleansing cloud reaches deep into your pores to remove all impurities, allowing a clean and fresh face. It's sustainable and reusable. It's soft on skin. So the white cleansing cloud has soft fibers and works best to remove natural and everyday makeup, like I said. And the black one has denser fibers to help remove long wear makeup. And then for the how to use portion, it just says to wet the cleansing cloud with warm or cold water. Gently wipe onto your skin until all makeup is removed. Rehydrate as needed. For heavy makeup, hold the cleansing cloud on the stubborn parts of your face for a long period of time to break down the makeup. And then it says you can machine wash it if needed. And it says you can actually use it 100 to 200 times before replacing. That's a long time. That's pretty interesting. I didn't think it would be that much. And it is cruelty-free and vegan, so all good things. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna get this hair out of the way so we can just get going. I feel like every time I put on a headband like this, I look like I'm like 8 years old. Whatever. So like I said, I'm gonna use the white one today. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super simple, nothing like crazy, dramatic, extravagant, anything like that. E.L.F. is like super basic about their packaging and they have really nice packaging no matter what the product is. So it's like super simple and sleek. So this is what it looks like. Comes in a little bag and the back has all the instructions. Basically what I just went over, like I'm not gonna repeat it again, but everything is here on the back in case you were wondering. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the little pad. It's very soft. I'm actually really excited to use it. This is definitely a dupe for the face halo. If you guys have ever heard of that before, it's just the same exact thing. It's a little pad that takes off your makeup. It is more expensive. I don't know what the quality's like. I don't know about the size. I don't know anything like that. I've never tried it. I've just seen it. But it's the exact same thing. It just takes off your makeup without having to use makeup wipes. Literally just the exact same thing. So I'm excited to use this. It is more affordable just for me personally. Maybe one day I'll try the face halo and compare, but for now I'm just gonna use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. I have a little bowl of water. Okay, so now I squeezed out the excess water and we're gonna go ahead and just start. I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous. Like, I hope this works. I'm not sure what to expect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my makeup off. It does feel very nice on the skin, like it doesn't feel super harsh. And I can see that the makeup like is coming off. That's what I got so far. This is so interesting to me. Like I'm so tired of using makeup wipes. Like I feel like I just waste makeup wipes so much. And I know that like, you know, all my girls out there, guys who wear makeup, it's just so bad for the environment when you're using all those wipes. Like, I don't know, I just feel really bad using like a lot of makeup wipes sometimes. So this, I'm really excited to use because I feel like it is doing a good job taking off the makeup. Like I feel like it is going deeper than just the surface of my skin, if that makes sense. Like I know that it said it goes into your pores and takes the makeup off or something like that, but I feel like I can definitely feel it. Like it's not just the surface of my skin. I like it. It feels really nice. I think I'm just gonna continue using the white one for my face and then I'm gonna try the black one for my eyes just because I want to try the black one. And since I do have a lot going on the eyes, I mean for me personally, like liner, mascara, different eyeshadows, everything like that, I feel like it would be good to check out the black one and see how it works. So we're gonna try the black one for the eyes and just keep using the white one for the face. I'm gonna re-wet it and then just keep going. Okay, so now that my face makeup is off, I'm gonna go ahead and take the black one and take off my eye makeup, but just for like reference, this one feels so nice. I kind of like the feeling of the black one better than the white one. I feel like it is denser and the little, what is this? Like fuzziness, it's definitely a lot softer than the white one. So just, you know, in case you were trying to figure out which one you wanted to buy. This one, like I said, is more dense and it is actually softer, so I kind of prefer this one. I just wanted to let you guys know that this one feels really nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use that tip where you just like hold it on your eyelid to kind of break down the makeup. So I'm just gonna hold it on my eye for a second, just wiggle it a little bit. Took off like a decent amount. I literally look so crazy, but took off a decent amount. I'm just doing it very slow and gently. I look real cute, but I apologize for any like lighting changes. Sometimes my camera, like when there's a black shirt or a black like item, it kind of messes with the lighting of the camera. I don't know why. Hopefully I can get a new camera sometime soon, but just if there's any weird lighting changes because of it, I apologize for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going and take off the eye makeup, but so far so good. I actually took off like a decent amount with just the little amount of wiping that I did, so I'm really impressed. It is a little bit difficult with eyeliner just because it does get like everywhere, so it is a little bit difficult to kind of like grab those little pieces. So I feel like I might just have to go in with like my towel that's right here and just like wipe that off, but it doesn't do the best at taking that off, but everything else seems to be pretty good. I might again have to go in with a makeup wipe and get like all in my eye because I tightline and I line my waterline, and I'm not really sure if I want to have this, you know, too close to my eye. I think I'm gonna try and just see, you know, what happens and how it works, and then pretty much just go from there. I think actually what I might do is use the white one because it's a little bit more gentle and go like in my eye, if that makes sense, to get that eyeliner off. So I'm just gonna continue with the black one for this eye right here, and then I'll just switch back to the white one. The white one does feel a little better when it comes to taking off that inner pencil eyeliner just because it is softer, so I'm not too hesitant about it, but I feel like I am gonna have to go in with a makeup wipe and just like get all the residue, you know, but you are supposed to wash your face. I mean, whether you're using makeup wipes or not, I feel like you should always wash your face after you take off your makeup just to really ensure that everything comes off. So that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna definitely go in with a makeup wipe just to like help a little bit, but I do like the fact that I can get like, I would say 90% of my makeup off with these two pads, which is really nice. And then I won't have to use so many makeup wipes, which is actually really nice. I think I'm only gonna have to use like a half a wipe to take off this little pencil eyeliner situation. So it's really nice. I'm really impressed with it so far. Like I said, it's only $4, so if you guys are interested, I would definitely check it out. If you're tired of using makeup wipes like I am, I'm just like tired of wasting them, and they're not cheap, so when you go through them so quickly it gets like kind of annoying and it just adds up. So I'm definitely gonna go in with half a makeup wipe next. So the makeup wipes that I like to use are the Neutrogena Night Calming makeup wipes. I'm gonna go ahead and just rip one into two little pieces because I definitely don't need the whole thing. Usually when I'm taking off my makeup, like if I were to take off the makeup that I just had, I think it would have taken me like 2 wipes, maybe 2.5, but usually I think about 2 wipes. But if I can use those 2 pads and then just a little half a wipe, that's pretty good for me. There actually wasn't that much makeup to take off with this little wipe, so if you look at it, there's like not that much product on here, which is actually like really interesting to me because I feel like there was just so much more, but those pads really did take off a lot of makeup and I'm like really impressed by them. I'm also really excited to use these when it comes to taking off face masks, so that should be really nice as well. It kind of works both ways, and just to wash it and reuse it, you just use like any cleanser and then you let it air dry, so it's really nice. You can machine wash it as well, but I think I'll just stick to using a cleanser and washing it by hand, but you can do it in the washing machine if you would like. So far so good. I'm really impressed with it. So now that my makeup is off, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face really quick, just because when I'm done wearing makeup and wiping it off, I really like to wash my face and moisturize it, use my moisturizer and my eye cream, everything like that, just to make sure that my skin is prepped and nice for the rest of the day or the night or anything like that. Just, you know, it's been through it, a lot of wiping, so I want to make sure that it's nice and moisturized and hydrated. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick and I'll be right back. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm super impressed with the cleansing clouds. I'm really happy with them. I'm definitely going to be using them to take off my makeup, to take off my face mask. Like I showed in the video, I did have to use half a makeup wipe to take off the rest of my eye makeup, but to me that's really no problem compared to like the 2.5 makeup wipes I usually need to use when I'm taking off my makeup. So using these cleansing pads, I got like 90% of my makeup off, which is really great. I'm super happy with them. So if you guys are interested, definitely check them out. I will have them linked down below. I got them from E.L.F's website. I think you can get them in store, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't think I've ever seen them in store. Maybe I'm just not looking in the right places. I don't know. But so yeah, I got them online and I will link them down below if you guys are interested. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I'm almost at 200 subscribers. So guys, hit that subscribe button before you go. It means a lot to me. So please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified every single time I upload and you'll never miss a video from me. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.